Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. It is Wednesday, November 6th. And so we've got some stats for you. I hope your fall is going well so far. The weather's been pretty decent. Can't complain. Um, so let's jump in. The one thing I have to say, though, is we do not have October statistics, though we do have October statistics I don't have, so that means that we don't, but I do have third quarter statistics. Okay, so we're kind of missing October, but it's kind of trending in the same way. So I think we'll get a pretty good idea of what's going on just by looking at September. Okay, so if we scroll down, and this week or this past 2 weeks, they've been putting all the data together for all the boards. So all this whole everything you see here is now part of the Association of Interior Realtors. So we're all together: North, South Okanagan, Central Okanagan, Shuswap, Revelstoke, South Peace River area, the Kootenays, all one huge board now. Okay, so let's have a look at what's going on everywhere. So we see that number of sales, units sold have gone up everywhere quite substantially in the Revelstoke area. Peace River and Kamloops, though, were down, and the Kootenays were up just a smidge. So, you know, interesting that there's that kind of, look at 20% in Revelstoke. But again, we're not talking about a huge number of homes, but still, um, sorry, I will get that call later. And then dollar values, we see kind of arrows going in both directions, both up and down. Interesting though that obviously where there's significant increase in sales, I would say 7% up. 7% is pretty good. So you're obviously dollar values are going to be up in those areas. Though here in the piece, even though the percent number units sold is down 4.2, the dollar value was up 13.2. Here in Kamloops, pretty consistent relationship between dollar value and number of sales. So that's interesting. So if we scoot down a little further and dig into Kamloops proper and looking at single family homes, only 100 sold in September, which is not very many at all when you think of the size of Kamloops. So that's down 11.5%. Benchmark price now is uh, down 2.2%. So that's been coming down fairly steadily, okay, for quite a while now. Days on market up substantially, which is never a good sign for home sellers. And inventory is up, which, there's a definite correlation between inventory and days on market. So when days on market go up, inventory is likely going up as well because the absorption rate isn't keeping up with the number of new listings. So, meaning there's more listings coming on than there are being sold. So, which is typical in every market, but the absorption rate in a hot market is kind of 60-70% of new inventory relationship wise, where now we're probably down around 30-40%. So it's a big difference. Those numbers add up. So townhomes, 26 sold, 3.7% decline. Benchmark prices fell about the same amount as single family. Days on market not quite as high as single family. Inventory, wow, look at that jump, 40 compared to single family, 40.2% jump in inventory. That's just going to make it harder for townhomes to move in the Kamloops market. You're going to have to get a little bit more aggressive with your pricing. So condos, similar. Yeah, look at that, 40% increase in inventory. So these are not, the condo. If you're looking to buy a condo or townhome in Kamloops, clearly now's the time. And then we have the breakdown. I'm not going to go through all of this. We have the breakdown per area. Okay. And you can, we'll share this with you. I'll have Lindsay send this PDF to you so you can have a look at what's going on in your area, whether you live in West Side, South Cam, whatever the case may be, because different pockets are doing slightly different things. Okay, the statistics I'm giving you are overall general statistics for all of Kamloops. So let's have a look quickly. We'll jump over to the third quarter stats. Okay, Q3 here. Um, we can see here that really it's not a whole lot different than say what the historical average has been, which is this light blue kind of green line here, aquamarine line. That's our 10-year average between 214 and 224. The dark blue is our current year, and then the gray was 2023. So you could see that 2023 was a little bit stronger, okay, um, than 2024, and we've felt that. I think everyone's noticed that, and it looks like probably 2024 is going to finish similarly. Thank you very much. To how 2024 finished. So that's kind of the update for now. I don't want to keep you too long. I like to keep these relatively short. So we're going to send both of these reports to you. If you have any questions, please get back to me. You know how to get a hold of me, 250-819-4727 or Eric at ericpotato.ca. And look for my new website. I'm kind of rebranding myself and what I'm doing. So the new website, which is going to be up very soon, is platinumgroup.homes is the URL. So platinumgroup.homes. I'll get Lindsay to include that in the email that you receive. So we're going back to the platinum label a little bit, which is kind of familiar to me and recognizable for all of you with me. So looking forward to that, and looking forward to your thoughts on the new website. I think it's going to be pretty. It's a pretty dynamic site, and I'm looking forward to launching that and marketing it and driving traffic to it. So again, if I could be of service to you, let me know. I look forward to hearing from you. Take care, and we'll talk to you next month.